Are you thinking of how to get your next customer? Are you thinking why the sales are not coming? Watch this video before you decide your next action. What you can do to actually get customers right now in your business. So if you're looking at getting customers, then you want to do what I'm about to share with you because it is a game changer. So the first thing you want to do is to very well define exactly who your customer is. So it is possible that you are just starting business and you don't know who your customer is. You want to ask yourself certain questions like who is the person that would need the product that you want to sell? Or if you have customers already, you want to go through your data and begin to, look through and find out who are the people that have been buying from you over time. Now, once you're able to do this, the next thing you want to do is to actually begin to create messages. Yes, you want to craft messages that will get their attention, and this you can do using content creation. So on a daily basis, you come on social media or any of the platforms that you want to use and begin to create content as it relates to the products that you're talking about or you want to sell, right? The products that you want people to buy, you want to create content around that product, around that services, and see how you can get people to notice you. Now, the next thing you want to do after creating content is to drive traffic to that content. Now, nobody will see your content if you don't drive traffic to it, right? So you want to drive traffic to that content. Now, the number of people that sees that content determines the amount of people that will be buying from you over time. So you want an influx of people to actually see that content that you have created. And what you want to do to actually make that happen is for you to run ads to that content. So you can run Facebook advertising and Instagram ads, right? With this, you're very well targeting your audience. You're very well targeting the people that you want to buy from you. You're very well targeting the customers that you are looking at buying that particular product. And once you target them right, they will see that product and they see what you have talked about. And if they are really your customers, they would reach out to you, right? So the next thing is for you to get them to yourself. Remember, the platform you're using is not your own. That is social media. So Facebook, Instagram is not your own. I believe that before now you have had issues where you actually made a post or you wanted to make a post and you just found out that you could not actually post in that particular day just because Facebook was down or Instagram was down, right? So you see that social media is not really yours. So what you want to do instead is to bring them to yourself. So you want to direct them to actually send you a message on WhatsApp, or also just go to your website and just click on the product and get the product there. So whatever you have to do, make sure that you are getting them to yourself. Now, if you want to learn how to actually run ads that are profitable, bringing you customers that will buy from you on a daily basis, then you want to join the Facebook and Instagram ads bootcamp, right? That is where I'll be teaching people like you how to actually get profitable, how to actually run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads that will get their target audience and buyers for their product. So you want to join that class if you want to learn. All right. So now you have driven traffic to the content. You want to bring them to yourself, like I said. Now, when you have brought them to yourself, the next thing you want to do is to begin to nurture them, right? You want them to know about you and your business, know about the products that you're offering, know about everything that has to do with that product, right? So that you can convert them to actually buy the product at the end of the day. Now, your ability to convert them is in your hands. That is what you show them, right? That will convince them to want to buy. Now, getting all of the leads to your WhatsApp is a game changer because you can actually sell to these people over and over again. That's the beautiful thing about getting them to your own space. So even if you don't want to, even if you want to sell all the products that you have, you can very well still sell to these people without you running Facebook or Instagram ads again. So you can very well get customers making the kind of money that you are looking for. Again, you want to also remember that the more people that sees your content, the more people that engages with your content or with your product or services, the more the people that will be buying from you. Sales is a number game. So learn how to actually run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads that will bring you the customer that you're looking for. If you want to learn, make sure you join the bootcamp, and the link will be beneath this video. I will see you again on another video. Let me know if this is something that you have been doing in your business and the result that you have been getting over time.